Hi, in this video, this is my iPhone 17 series, 17 Pro, and how to change action button. So easily change your action button. So I'm provide full guide. So you just open your settings. As you can see, showing it to action button. So you just easily customize your action button, showing it to more feature, silent mode, flash, torch, showing it to silent mode, focus, camera, and more feature. Just select any on. So like I'm select to silent mode. When I'm select this, just long press. Now turn on to silent mode. Long press to turn off silent mode. Okay, or if you want to change, like open again, select camera, to long press, open this, long press to take photo. So you just easily customize your action button.